Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of Vivago AI. In order to do so, here we are at vivago.ai. And the first thing that you're going to see when you get here is you have a variety of different templates that you can play with. So this is one of the fun things that Vivago offers, and there's some really neat stuff here. We've got a happy Valentine's template. We've got a boyfriend giving a rose, an AI kiss, a girlfriend giving a rose. And we also have different styles. Here we got this cute little flying pig that's adorable, and a panda eating some bamboo, it looks like. So some really cool stuff here. And you can see for yourself different styles, also some cool video, and all of this gives you an idea of everything that Vivago is capable of. So that's kind of cool. It's bringing Batman and Ghost Rider together into one hero, and that's kind of neat. And yeah, so there's some just cool stuff here that you can play around with. And if you want, if you see something that you like and you want to try it out, then you can go ahead and here you can click on remix. But then you also have, so for the boyfriend's rose, for example, you'll see here where it says use template. So you can click on that, and then you could select a picture and you can bring that in. And that's going to, here, we'll go ahead and we'll use this one. No, that didn't want to work. Let's try that again. I guess it did work because it did use our credits. So that's working now. And here's a example of something that I did here with the template. It's the little squishy thing here. You can kind of take your character and squish it up. So that's kind of fun. And if we go back to our video generator here, let's see. Okay, we've got assets. So we want to go into our assets. And here we can see all of the different generations that we've done so far. And you can see for yourself that there's some pretty cool stuff here. Vivago definitely has some nice quality. It has image generation as well. Got text to image, AI try on. You can actually put on different clothes for your character. We've got AI portrait, AI image style, so we can change the different style, logos, tattoos. We have the image editor, which is a prompt bot that you can use in order to improve your prompts. So that's kind of helpful. Normally, I might suggest that you would use something like ChatGPT or any other number of chatbots out there in order to improve your prompts. But Vivago actually brings that into its interface for you so that you can play around with. So that's kind of nice. It also has 3D generation. This is something that not every platform has, but if you want to create 3D models, then you can do that. You have text to 3D or you even have image to 3D. So there's some really fun stuff you can do there. Character creation. So this is pretty neat. So like we can describe our character or we can use these tags. So if you click on tags here, then you'll see that this is going to open up and we have a variety of different tags that we can use to help us create a character. So if we want to create a female character with green eyes and shiny hair who is thinking, then you'll see that all of your tags are going to show up here. So that's kind of a neat, nice, tidy way of creating a character. We also have AI tools, and you can see here that we have a variety to choose from. We have Image Enhance, Repaint, Magic Eraser, Magic Expand, Video Enhance, Magic Brush. And all of these do some neat things. So this one here, you can paint a specific area of your image in order to create movement where you want it to be. And some of these things do require a subscription in order to use. They do offer you some free credits to play with. And there is a free version where you get free daily credits. So that's one of the nice things about Vivago, is that it actually does give you some free credits to play around with. Now, you could probably only get maybe about 2 or 3 different generations. You can get more image generations than you can do video, because image is quite a bit cheaper. It only costs about 2 credits to do text to image, whereas with video generation, you're looking at about 30 credits each. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. The drink transformed and turned into a rose. So that's that's kind of cool. Some neat stuff there. You got your squishy, and yeah, so there's some fun stuff here you can play around with. And so what's the final review here? Well, I'd say that Vivago is doing something unique. It does have certain options that you will find on other platforms, but it's also doing something unique. It's got some unique options, the 3D generation, the templates. All of this is unique from other platforms. There certainly are other platforms that do similar things, but this is kind of where you might want to choose one platform over another. Another thing that we can take a look at here is there's invitation rewards. So if you click on that, and you'll see here that you can actually copy a link and send that to people. And if they subscribe, then you get free credits. So that's kind of nice. And yeah, so all in all, I would say that Vivago is offering something that is pretty competitive in terms of its features and also in terms of its pricing. The basic model is only $6. So that's quite nice. Compared to some other platforms, that's quite a bargain. The only thing that I might say is, when it comes to my needs in terms of a video generator, I would say that lip sync is very important to me. So this is kind of where you want to choose one. If you're looking to choose one platform over another, then you need to determine what kind of functions are important to you. So if lip sync is not important to you and you like the idea of these different templates that you can use, let's take a look at the templates here. So, I mean, we have a lot of different templates and remixes that we can use here, and some pretty fun stuff, some pretty cool stuff. So if you just want to play around and you're just looking to do something cool for your social media or something like that, then you might want to consider Vivago. But if you are more interested in something that has lip sync, then Vivago might not be the platform for you. But this is sort of where you just have to compare different platforms and see what it is that they're doing that's different from others, and weigh your options there. But the nice thing about Vivago is it does offer you free daily credits. So that's enough to come here and play around with the templates and get some neat stuff out of it. So that's it. I would say, as far as my review goes for Vivago, I would recommend it. I would just say that there might be other platforms that may have functions that you're looking for, but I would say that Vivago is definitely offering some pretty fun stuff. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.